Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating directly to Apps. Tap Apps and Notifications, then choose Special App Access. This groups overlays in one place. Once there, select Display over other apps or floating windows depending on your Moto model so you can see which apps can draw on top. You do this first because it prevents accidental taps later and shows the exact app allowing the floating window. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked while you change permissions. Next, you locate each app that currently has overlay permission and disable it. Tap the app name and toggle off Allow Display over other apps or the floating window permission. This stops just that app from creating pop-ups. If you see persistent chat heads or toolbars, disable their permission and then force close the app to remove lingering windows. You do this step by step because some apps need the permission for features you might want to keep. So review before disabling everything. Finally, restart your Motorola to clear any floating windows still in memory. A reboot ensures permissions take effect. If overlays persist, check accessibility settings for services that mimic floating behavior and disable them, because some assistive apps recreate overlays. Make sure apps are updated or uninstall the offending app if necessary. If nothing works, reset app preferences as a last resort to restore defaults. This won't delete data, but will reset permissions and likely stop unwanted floating windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.